Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix Forza Horizon 6 not launching or getting a black screen on PC. Start with updating your graphics drivers. If you are using an NVIDIA graphics card, open the NVIDIA app or GeForce Experience and install the latest driver update. If you use AMD, download the newest driver for your graphics card from the AMD support page. After installing the update, restart your PC and test the game. Next, close background apps and disable overlays. Some software can block the game from starting properly. Open your system tray and fully exit MSI Afterburner and Rivatuner Statistics Server. Also disable Discord overlay and turn off hardware acceleration inside Discord settings. These can conflict with the game at launch and cause a black screen. After that, verify the game files. Missing or corrupted files can stop the game from booting. If you are on Steam, go to your library, right-click the game, select Properties, open Installed Files, and click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will automatically repair any broken data. Once the process is complete, restart your PC and try launching the game again. These steps solve most launch and black screen issues and should get the game running normally again. Thanks for watching.